Hello friends. Today, I'm going to show you how to edit text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Click on the text icon near the timeline. Click on the preview screen where you want to write your text. Go to the window menu and click on Essential Graphics. Adjust the position and alignment of the text. Set the transparency level of the text. Select from various preset text styles. Choose the font style, bold, italic, and size of the text. Set the color of the text, add a stroke, background, and shadow. That's it. Your text is now edited.